Exams are around the corner, and honestly, some of us just really get chest pains every time we hear the E word. But don't worry, your Koffsie Cyber Stars are here to give you a few tips that will have you on the road to success. Tip number 1, do not study in bed. I repeat, it's a trap. Do not study in bed. Yes, we always want to study in a place that's comfortable, but the key is not to get too comfortable. Because quite frankly, studying in bed and cuddling with your books will not magically ensure that you learn your work in your sleep. So don't do it. I'm serious. I'm so serious. Do not do it. Tip number 2, take a break. Honey, listen, take a break. You probably just did the most or nothing at all, but still give yourself a break. But don't take long breaks. So here's what you must do. Move away from your study desk, stretch a bit, have a glass of water, go outside, get some fresh air, take a selfie or two, but come back and do your work. Get it done. The third tip, have a reward system, because we absolutely love rewards. So you must reward yourself for every milestone that you reach, and that way you stay motivated and you want to do more. And before you know it, your content will be done, and then you're graduating, and then there's a bigger reward that's waiting for you at the end of your academics. Tip number 4, now fam, listen to me. Do not take a nap unless you absolutely need one. And when you're about to take a nap, set about 5 alarms with a 5-minute interval between them so that it really irritates you. And what you want to do is you must put the phone so far away from you that you have to get out of bed to actually go get it. That way when you get out of bed, you're fresh, you can study again.
And for more tips on how to prepare and study effectively, visit the Koffsie Live website and download the latest edition of the Koffsie Advice magazine. And remember, if you fail to plan, you plan to fail.
Well, good luck with your exams, and hey, chin up, relax, you've got this, and always stay woke.